Hi, this is Tess from the Arty Crafty place, and I'm here to show you how you can use your printing blocks this Easter. So I wanted to show you how you can print a couple of different Easter card designs. So this is one that I did earlier. This is using a really lovely cow parsley block and a little bird. So that's really nice for kind of springtime. And I've got some chickens and another seed head design that I wanted to show you how to use. So give it a nice wiggle, get all the edges. And then I'm going to print our large spotty chicken next to that in duck egg. And these are just really nice cards that you can send to friends and family this Easter. And it's just a different way to use your printing blocks. So it gives you ideas of how you can use them for different seasons. And there we go. So I've got a lovely little chicken card there. And I'm sure if you sent that to a friend or family member, they would really like it.